plastic every year, and yet we still somehow see it as a disposable material, and it's become a problem. Albatross chicks, even thousands of miles offshore, I mean, all plastic have become part of that fabric.
So I found a water bottle.
And I'd already seen an incredible...
Jesus Christ.
This isn't something maybe happening to our children. It's already here.
Our coronavirus waste is now ending up in the ocean. Say, an increasing amount of face masks and latex gloves are ending up in the sea every day as people discard them on the streets.
Et les incivilités. Si les gens ne jetaient pas ces masques dans la rue, on ne les retrouverait pas en mer. Parce que 80% des déchets qu'on retrouve en mer viennent de la terre. Faut bien voir ça. En fait, les déchets, quand il y a de la pluie...
According to Lombard, coronavirus waste constitutes less than 1% of the total 3 tons of trash collected underwater, but he warned that the problem would likely worsen as the pandemic drags on.
Plastic is wonderful.
What can we do? And then it becomes pollution that ruins our beaches and chokes sea animals forever. We should not be forced to pollute the ocean every time we eat, to be given a choice, a plastic-free choice. This is not hard to imagine. Let's stop plastic pollution from wrecking our beaches and our oceans.
ეს არის ნარჩენები, რის შეგროვებაც ამ ეტაპზე შევძელთ, ძირითადად იყო პლასმასის, ლითონის, მინის.
Because it's durable, and plastic is terrible because it is durable. Almost every piece of plastic ever made is still on the planet in some form or another. Plastic production globally this year is expected to be more than 300 million tonnes.
Is recycled. The rest ends up in our environment, and it's coating our land and our oceans like a disease.
Garbage thrown away in the United States can make its way to Antarctica. Plastic in our coastal waters is pulled into the centre of massive wind-driven, churning circular gyres. There are many other ocean currents also diverting the trash all around the surface of the ocean. In reality, it's just one ocean with no boundaries.
Really is quite an overwhelming thing. I do have some pretty rough days, have to go home and really wrap my mind around where do we go from here.
As a Pacific Islander, I know that the ocean is in deep trouble. Every country uses plastic. We need to start rationalizing that. We need to think plastic into it. We really have to look at ourselves and say, do we deserve this beautiful ocean that was...
By throwaway plastics. The equivalent of one garbage truck of plastic is dumped in the sea every minute. 17.6 billion pounds every year. Plastic is everywhere in our ocean, floating on the surface, mixing in the salt water, and sitting on the ocean bottom, miles and miles deep. And once in the ocean, it never goes away. Over hundreds of years, it breaks down into small pieces. But those pieces, even the tiny ones called microplastics, are still plastic. Sea turtles are choking on it. Scientists say that over 60% of whale and dolphin species are affected by it. Zooplankton, the base of the ocean food chain, eat it. And so do we, even in the air we breathe. Companies are choosing to make something that will be used just once, from a material that lasts forever. If you don't like what throwaway plastics are already doing to our world, brace yourself. We face a tsunami of throwaway plastic in our and the ocean's future. 4 times more plastic will be produced between now and the middle of the century than has been produced in all of history. 4 times more.